I want to make money online. Okay, there is a way. If you want to make money online, it's a really good idea, because the thing is that online world has provided us with the opportunities to actually have some extra streams of income. But let me tell you what, even online income is not going to come to you from one day to another. So let's actually work on that. Let's talk about it. So making money online. Okay. How do you want to make money online? Obviously, online world is based, and it's actually the substance of it is content. Content in the format of videos, the way how you're looking at me right now. So you have the video content. You write the articles, great, amazing. So you can write. That's another format of content, and then you have images. So these are the actual three basic, and I forgot audio. So we have 4. Okay, so 4 formats of content which we can actually create. When it comes to books, let's look at the books, for example. If you want to actually publish your own book, you can publish it in a digital format as ebook. Then you can upload it as a physical book, so people can actually go to Amazon, buy the book, and buy it as a paper cover. So you're going to be actually able to receive the physical book and read the book. That's for people who still love to actually have the actual book in their hand. I love that, by the way. And you also can actually listen to audiobooks. Obviously, these are the basic formats of content you can create if you want to make money online, because being online, this is what it is about. It's about content. Now, what expertise do you have? What value can you provide to people? Can you provide them with motivation? Can you provide them with how-to? Can you provide them with, I don't know, checklists? So what can you actually, in what topic do you want to make your money online? And from that point, you can actually follow up and see whether you want to. I'm going to literally right now tell you just the business models which really work for the long term. I am not going to give you any links to do some surveys and stuff like that. By the way, I have tried a couple of them. Most of them don't actually even really produce any results. So you have to be really careful what you really choose. If you're really serious about that, because there is a great value on internet. I have received it in my life. I'm sure you have received it in your life too. Specifically as millennials, we grew up with internet. We are really familiar with that. We go there for actually learning, to even find friends, you know. So yes, there is a great value online. However, we also know that there might be certain contents which are not as of great value, let's put it this way. So you also have to be careful, and specifically if you want to make money online, make sure that you actually start with substance, because you don't want to be the one who's going to be questioned in the next years down the line, like, how did you make money online, you know? The thing is that the business models which are really of value and really of substance are the basic ones. Book publishing, amazing way. You can publish your book, you can actually write about the topic, then you can market it and sell it online. Book publishing, great way. And there are not really questions about that. I mean, we all read books, you know, so that's really a great and a really long-term business you can start. So book publishing, affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, obviously you're promoting products of others. With creation your own book, you're creating your own book. So you have your own book. With affiliate marketing, obviously, I definitely recommend that you go and you promote the products, you know, by yourself, because you know that these products are legitimate, you know the firms, you know actually that it works, and like this you can promote the products. So affiliate marketing is also a great way because some companies don't really have a marketing support, so they use affiliates instead. It's a great way. Why not? Obviously, we work together, we cooperate together. There are really companies which don't have all in-house, so then they outsource a marketing services via affiliates. It's a great way. However, be careful what product you choose. So that's the affiliate marketing. Another way how to make money online is YouTube. YouTube is definitely a great source and a great way, and it also can be a fun way if you want to do some videos for just for amusement, for fun. You know, not everyone has to run a channel which is of educational content, so you can also do that. Definitely amazing stream of income. So that's the third business model, how you can make money online.